My Lord, I'm present.
Reu afitha wa borithi Clinzy Barasa Masinde uria warathire Boniface Mwangi Kariuki akiendia turembeko twa maniuru hindi ya mirurungano tauni-ini ya Nairobi na gucoka gukwira thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta eguthitangwo na njoragano thutha wa wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi kuhitukia thitango eno iri ya njoragano.
Charge of murder.
Itua riri rirekereirio umuthi igoti-ini ria Milimani kuria oho mucirithania Benmark Ekumbi athanire kurekererio kwa mwikuirwo wa keri Duncan Kiprono uria maikitio ngono na Barasa thutha wa munene wa thitango cia muingi kwira igoti ndari na wira wa kumuhingurira thitango cia njoragano.
The charge of murder against Clinzy Barasa Masinde. That information, Your Honor, has since been filed in the High Court.
So the second respondent hearing will be set at liberty unless otherwise lawfully held. Furthermore, the first respondent will be remanded awaiting his arraignment before the High Court to face the murder charges that have been preferred by the DPP. So I hereby mark this file closed.
Gukiri uguo na rigoti nene kuhitukira mucirithania Kanyi Kimundo ni athanire Barasa ahingirwo na oho athuthurio ugima wake wa meciria mbere ya cira wake wa njoragano na gikuo kia Boniface Kariuki wambiriirie na riu cira uyu ugathikiririo tariki 28 mweri-ini oro uyu undu uria mawakiri a family metikaniirie.
Until you are examined by a consultant psychiatrist as to your mental capacity to follow these proceedings or to plead to the information in charge. You shall not be removed from police custody and you'll be remanded at the Nairobi remand. You shall be escorted to Bagathi District Hospital or Kenyatta National Hospital or indeed any other convenient government facility for mental assessment. Plea is accordingly deferred to 28th of July 2025.
We have been given 14 days for which the accused will be taken to a government facility for purpose of doing mental assessment. Only then a plea can be taken.
Family ya Boniface egetekania na itua ria igoti mahinyiriirie o marenda kihoto kia mwana wao gikinyanirio kuona muturire wake wathimiro kuhitukira rithathi.
Tumeridhika na vile jaji amesema. Kama familia tunataka tu justice for Boniface itendeke juu alikuwa kijana mdogo unexperienced na juu alikuwa akijaribu kupanga maisha yake na akaanzia na hiyo kazi kidogo na ile pesa kidogo alikuwa nayo ya kuuza mask.
Muthenya wa rucio niguo Boniface akahurukio na igongona ria mathiko rigatafanirio kiharo-ini gia Kada Githunguri Iego sublocation gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kangema kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.